Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Slippery streets after winter storms raise risk of falls. Doctor warns Mednews. After winter storms, sidewalks, parking lots, and stairs can become slip hazards due to hidden ice. Invisible patches of ice are dangerous and can lead to serious injuries, especially for older adults. To lower the risk of falls, it's recommended to slow down, wear shoes/boots with good traction, avoid smooth soles and high heels, take short steps or shuffle on icy ground, and stick to cleared walkways. Other tips include keeping scarves and hats from blocking vision, using a cane/walking stick for extra balance, being careful getting in/out of cars, not carrying too many bags, and watching for black ice. Certain medications can also increase the risk of falls due to dizziness or sleepiness. At home, remove clutter from walkways, add handrails to outdoor steps, and spread sand/salt/cat litter on icy surfaces. Taking extra precautions can help prevent injuries that could send someone to the emergency room. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. Less than /speak.